Uniswap value equivalent to $6.5891 a coin. The present reach: $6.5140, $6.8819. The earlier day close: $6.8422. The change was 0.2531, 3.70%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $5.98. Most extreme cost $8.28, least cost $5.98. The normal for the month $6.92. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $7.44, change for December 24.4%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $7.44. Greatest cost $9.32, least cost $6.57. The normal for the month $7.87. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $8.14, change for January 9.4%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. Greatest cost $10.10, least cost $8.14. The normal for the month $8.96. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $9.44, change for February 16.0%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $9.44. Most extreme cost $9.44, least cost $8.18. The normal for the month $8.97. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.80, change for spring 6.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $8.80. Most extreme cost $9.61, least cost $8.35. The normal for the month $8.94. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $8.98, change for April 2.0%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $8.98. Greatest cost $8.98, least cost $7.01. The normal for the month $8.13. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.54, change for May 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $7.54. Most extreme cost $9.36, least cost $7.54. The normal for the month $8.30. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.75, change for June 16.0%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $8.75. Most extreme cost $9.83, least cost $8.55. The normal for the month $9.08. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $9.19, change for July 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at $9.19. Greatest cost $9.19, least cost $7.88. The normal for the month $8.68. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $8.47, change for August 7.8%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $8.47. Greatest cost $8.47, least cost $7.09. The normal for the month $7.91. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $7.62, change for September 10.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $7.62. Greatest cost $7.62, least cost $6.61. The normal for the month $7.24. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.11, change for October 6.7%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. At the outset, cost at $7.11. Most extreme cost $7.52, least cost $6.54. The normal for the month $7.05. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $7.03, change for November 1.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $7.03. Most extreme cost $8.72, least cost $7.03. The normal for the month $7.73. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.15, change for December 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $2.82. Greatest cost $2.82, least cost $2.31. The normal for the month $2.61. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.48, change for February 12.1%. Unity United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $2.48. Most extreme cost $2.82, least cost $2.46. The normal for the month $2.60. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.64, change for spring 6.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.64. Greatest cost $2.64, least cost $2.06. The normal for the month $2.39. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.22, change for April 15.9%. Unity United States dollars expectations for May 2026. At the outset cost at $2.22. Most extreme cost $2.76, least cost $2.22. The normal for the month $2.45. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.58, change for May 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at $2.58. Greatest cost $3.11, least cost $2.58. The normal for the month $2.80. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.91, change for June 12.8%. Unity United States dollars expectations for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.91. Greatest cost $2.91, least cost $2.27. The normal for the month $2.63. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.44, change for July 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2026. Initially cost at $2.44. Most extreme cost $2.44, least cost $1.91. The normal for the month $2.21. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $2.05, change for August 16.0%. Unity United States dollars expectations for September 2026. In the first place cost at $2.05. Greatest cost $2.55, least cost $2.05.